Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Blitz buy discount option on Wish and how to receive huge amounts of discounts on the Wish app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open the Wish app and then you will have to tap on this little disk icon, or sometimes you can see it if you scroll a little bit. It appears on the right side of the screen. Right now it looks like it's not appearing, but anyways, you can always tap on the disk icon, and then this is the Blitz buy page. And here, as you can see, you can spin this disc once every day and you can receive bonuses and discounts on Wish. So let's see, let's spin the discount. That would be funny if I would receive like a huge discount today. Okay, you've unlocked 75 products for your Blitz buy. Play now. Add the best deals to cart before the shopping spree ends. So I will have 10 minutes to use. Don't forget to come back tomorrow to spin. Okay. It loads. And then I don't know why the app is so slow. Okay, so we have 9 minutes and 50 seconds to check out all these items with huge discounts and to choose from them any of them that you like. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.